What is up, beautiful people? We are here with a brand new year, man. 2019. That's crazy. 2018 was just too quick. Before we get started though, I just wanted to apologize real quick because this intro is a little bit longer than previous videos. You know, I'm usually straight to the point, but if the intro is too long, go ahead and skip because this is just, you know, quick shout outs. First of all, as you can see by the video, it's a pretty hectic video, man. I got the Balenciaga Triple S's. This is what the video is for. And, you know, I just thought we might as well start 2019 with a bang, right? So why not with the Triple S's? Honestly, I didn't think I would ever own a pair, but I was highly motivated thanks to Shannon Darian, and you know, they know why, so thank you guys. You guys are the best. Shout outs. And then also I just want to give a shout out to Darrell and Taylor, man, for this awesome gift. This is definitely motivating me to make more videos. Check that out. An awesome ring light, if y'all can see that. It's just, you know, I want to say thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. Shout outs, really, like my support cast is the best. Like really legit, like this back support is the best. No, all jokes aside, like really thank you guys so much for everything. I appreciate you guys so much. Even you guys, viewers, everybody watching, thank you for the support. I'm not, you know, I don't even got as much fame, but I don't even care because I just want to help you guys know what you're buying and, you know, reviews and you know, my reaction towards the item or piece that I'm getting. So other than that, man, let's get into the video. I got Balenciaga Triple you know, Triple S's, so it's gonna be a crazy unboxing. Let's do it. So first off, I just wanted to say I did pick this up at my local Balenciaga shop. It was crazy, man. It's so big, it's huge. Let me share what they gave me, man. They gave me a water, man. I was just like, what? All right, that's nice of y'all. A water. Out here where I'm at, they charge now if you want to get a shopping bag. Like, this is at any store, retail store. So I pay 50 cents for a Balenciaga shopping bag. But check it out, it's just great. It's a new bag, man, compared to the older bags. Go ahead, check out my old video. Shameless plug. Is a white bag before with their older font, but this is their newer font. If you guys haven't noticed, Balenciaga got a new font, aka logo. So it's cool, man. Might have to stand up for this one. This one's huge, man. Got your rope handles for the bag. Check that out real quick. Let me just pop in. Cool, glossy look, glossy finish. Let's flip this to the side. Check this out. Huge box. Let me just say, this is like a pregnant box. It's a huge box, I'll tell you that. I did have Balenciaga receipts, so. All right, getting into the item, boys. We getting excited. Ooh. So around the box, this side you do have your item in the box. So in this case, you got the style codes, blah, blah, blah. The colorway I got, yes, your boy got the original colorway, OG. And you know, again, size, style codes, blah, blah, blah. And 41, because I'm a size 41. And these particular type of shoes. So check out the top of the box, Balenciaga in all white. Let's open this thing, dude. It's huge as hell. Oh yeah, your boy excited. So this is a dust bag. Can this even fit both shoes, or do I have two dust bags? I don't know. Check that out. You got the Balenciaga dust bag. Wrapping paper all day. If anybody wants some, let me know. I'll ship some to you. Here we going in, boys. We going in. Check this out. Oh, your boy is shining. Look at this, more wrapping paper. I heard you like wrapping paper, so I put wrapping paper on top of your wrapping paper with more wrapping paper. Am I right with the wrapping paper? We wrapping. Taking it out, boys and girls. We here. Woo, son. Don't worry. I know the camera right now is kind of off screen, but we gonna fix it in a bit. Let me just take it out because this is huge as hell. Get an extra pair of laces before I go any further because I don't think I'm gonna leave this in the video. But inside the box though, nothing else. Alright, so working with the left pair, man, this is pretty ecstatic, man. I'll tell you this. I can't believe I own a pair. Honestly, this is crazy. Okay, so looking at the outer side of the shoe, obviously you'll notice the bulkiness, right? So on the left pair you get the Triple S tag. Oh, you got care instructions too, but like, really, do we really need to care for a shoe that's low-key distressed? I don't think so, but you got the care instructions. Let's work with the other shoe since the tag's gonna get in the way. So on the sides, you get the blue with the red mesh, Balenciaga right here. Going to the front, toe box, 41, look at that. Got your size, so if you got a 42, say 42, 43. They don't all say 41. Going to the shoelaces, look at that, man. These are like low-key, like built tight, you know what I mean? If these were loose, you know what I'm saying, like they would be more out, but these are actually really tight. So shoelace hose, got that leather panels going on too. That's sick. Going to the back heel tab. Oh, you got a pull tab. I didn't even know that. Cool. And this is actually really soft, this part, so it's cool. Mesh over here too. Leather panel going right there. And the inside, same thing as the out, just no Balenciaga over here, you know what I'm saying? But this is the one thing that tripped me out, okay? I did not notice this. It basically looked like a shoe glued onto other soles, right? Because look at this. I did not know it was like detached like this. Look at this. The soles are detached. So I don't know if that's like the distressed effect that they're trying to shoot for, but it works, man. It's crazy because like, look at this. It's not even attached. Can y'all see this? But it's so cool. I like it. This part too is like detached. Can you see that? This part right here. It's crazy, man. You would think it's gonna fall apart, but they're on there pretty damn good. Like, it's amazing. Going to the bottom of the shoe, bottom soles, you got a big Balenciaga branding and a shiny gloss plastic kind of what is it, carbon fiber? I don't know. I don't think it's carbon fiber, not like that Jordan effect, but you know what I mean. You got that shine. Look at the soles. You got like 7 soles that'll basically touch the ground. I mean, these will touch the ground too, but this is like the main soles that'll do the work. It's crazy, man. Back heel, you also got a Balenciaga branding. Look at that distress though. Like, it's pretty sick. Low key, even the soles in the bottom look dirty. It's kind of funny. It's like, wait, have these been worn? On the tongue of the shoe, mesh and Triple S. Check that out. And you also have a pull tab on the tongue, so you pull it up, just, you know, make your feet go in better. Inside of the shoe, you got Balenciaga going on right there, and your shoe size tag information on the top, right behind the tongue. Yes, this is the ones made in China, so unfortunately it's not the one made in Italy, but I'm still here for it, man. It's cool. Again, with the laces, you get rope laces with like red lines going around, the candy cane effect. Pair laces is the same thing in black, but I'm definitely keeping the red ones on because I noticed all of the other Triple S has got this lace on, and this is basically the only one with like a different lace, or one of the few. But yeah, from what I've seen, everybody else got this, so keep the reds on if you got this colorway. Definitely want to do that. I mean, back to the point though, with like the whole China effect though, from what I've been reading and researching, they said this is actually more comfortable and better than the Italy for some reason. I don't know why, but no disrespect to China, you know what I mean? They got that fine China going on there, so I'm all for it. Thank you, shout outs to you guys. And yeah, man, that's basically it. Look at that. By the way, they are called Triple S's because they got 3 different soles, so like it looked like 100 different soles to me, but you know, this is 1, 2, and then 3. And so that's basically it, the Balenciaga Triple S's, man. I hope this video helped. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, obviously you want to leave a like and subscribe if you can, because that'll help me in the long run. Again, I appreciate you guys, man. 2019 is a new year. Let's shine on this one for real. Comment below your New Year's resolution or something like that, man. I want to hear it, because we're gonna stick through and work with our resolutions, right, man? I think mine's gonna like get more fit, stay healthy, you know, stop swearing, be a better person kind of thing. So again, thank you guys. Happy New Year. I appreciate you guys so much. Leave a like and subscribe. It will help me so much. And obviously stay tuned, because we got more coming soon. All right, peace.